and welcome to Craft with Sarah. In today's Design Space tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a brand new feature of Design Space, which lets you copy things from one project to another. So this has been something that a lot of people have really wished was possible in Design Space. So when you're making a project and you save it and then you create a new one, before, if you wanted to take something from project 1 and put it in project 2, there was no way to do that. But now, as of Design Space version 6.0.150, you can! So this is really exciting, and it opens up a whole new world of designing possibilities in Design Space, because it means you can move things from different projects, which means you can combine projects to make something completely new. So I thought I'd show you how to do that, and at the moment I think it's only available on the desktop version of Design Space, and you do need to make sure that your version has updated to version 6.0.150. Cricut are releasing this version slowly across all Design Space users, so you should get it at some point in December. So if you don't have it just yet, then just be patient, you will get it eventually. I've opened up two different versions of Design Space because this is easier if you've got it open in two windows. So just double click on the program twice to open it twice. So on this one, I am going to just create a new project. So this will be the one where I paste my designs into. Now this bit's really important. Before you start, go to the three little dots in the top left of the screen and then click on Settings. You need to make sure that your canvas style is set to new. If it's set to classic, then this copy and pasting won't work. So make sure it is on new and then click done. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this works with my snowflake alphabet. So this is an alphabet, a layered alphabet I've designed in Design Space, and if you want to get this alphabet so that you can use it, it's part of my new Craft with Sarah Clubhouse, so I'll tell you some more information about that at the end of this video. But as you can see, I've got different letters in different projects, but let's say I want to combine some of them into one. So let's say I want to make the word snow. So what I can do is open up the project which has the letters Q, R, S, T and U in it. So click on the project you want to make and then click Customize. So I want to take the letter S, so I can click on that and it's already in one group. So I can just right click on it, and now you've got these new options called Cut and Copy. So I'm going to choose Copy. Now I can go over to my other window of Design Space here and just right click on it and press Paste. It will take a little while because it's quite a lot of layers, but once that's loaded, if I make it bigger, you can see I've now got my letter S on this new project. So to add a different one, I'm going to go back over here and go into Projects and choose My Projects, and this time I want to find the N. So I can click on this project here and then go to Customize. Hit replace because I don't need to keep the original letters on there, and that will go ahead and load. It's a little bit slower than normal because I'm recording my screen. So here we go. So now I want the N, so I can click on that, right click and press copy. Go to my other window of Design Space, right click and press paste, and that's going to whir away and then it's going to put that one in there. So I want an O as well, so that's in the same one here, so I can copy it, go back over to here, right click and paste. Alright, so there's one more I need, which is the W, so I'm going to go back over to here, go into Projects and choose My Projects. Look for the one that's got the W in it, which is this one. Click Customize and wait for that to load. And then when that's loaded, I can just right click on the W, press copy, go over to my new file, and now I'm just going to make this bigger because I don't need to paste anything else in, and then I can paste that W. So now I've combined these letters from three separate Design Space projects into one. So now what I can do is resize them however I want them to go, and I could add extra things if I wanted to see how it's all going to look. And then when you're ready, just click Make It and it will just cut like any other project. And if you want to, you can save your new project so that you've got all of your bits combined for next time. Okay, so that was a quick tutorial on how you can now copy and paste different layers and groups between Design Space projects. This is a complete game changer for Design Space. I'm so happy that it has been released with this feature, and I know that I'm going to use it loads. So as I said, you can get this layered alphabet in my new Craft with Sarah Clubhouse. The Craft with Sarah Clubhouse is an ever-growing collection of exclusive Design Space projects and tutorials for Cricut crafters. So I'll put a link to it in the description of this video so you can go and read a bit more about it. But basically, I release a brand new layered design every Friday, including all of these designs you can see here. And if you want to get these layered designs, then sign up to the Clubhouse and you'll get new things every single week. So there are 3 different tiers. There's Silver, which is the lowest priced one, which gets you access to all of my Design Space projects and that new design every Friday. If you want the snow alphabet, then you'll need the gold or the platinum. And if you just have a look at the page, which I'll link to, then you can see everything that you get in these different packages. And then there's a long list of questions that you might have before you join. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to copy and paste between Design Space projects. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more Cricut Design Space tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.